Okay, so I'm not someone who usually posts videos talking about reviews, but I did want to talk about Goody Co. Please ignore all of the horrible things on my counter other than these amazing things that I've set out. I think I have a little bit of a problem. I am a little bit obsessed with Goody Co. I started out with this amazing set right here. I did the quiz and discovered that this would be the best set. It's next level rose, well, I guess Rosé Dream Serum and Layer Once. It's fantastic. It's been great because I came to Goody Co having really irritated, super dry skin. I was having all sorts of problems where I was just peeling and flaking and everything. After doing a lot of research, I think I had actually dehydrated dry skin. It was just terrible, let me tell you. So I started using this all the time. Um, Actually, I went on a vacation to Hawaii and it actually healed my really terrible sunburn on my face pretty quickly. That was pretty amazing. And then when they had their top up sale, I was already addicted and stocked up on a ton. As you can see, right there, got a lot of everything. I've got 2 masks, I've got the Holiday Lips Silk Bounce Serum, I've got the Dream Orange Serum with the vitamin C, along with cushion. Really like this stuff. That's super relaxing when I use it at night. And then I wasn't sure about these 2 little rollers here, the décolletage and the soften, but I've actually noticed soften is really helping, especially with the lines on my forehead. They were really getting terrible, and that has helped a lot. This one, it was a little on the expensive side to get the pack with the cushion, the low orange dream serum and pow, but I actually think it was really worth it. I've noticed my skin brighten up quite a bit. Some of the scars that I had from like old acne from when I was younger has really gone away. And again, I really like this. I'll definitely be stocking up on this again. It's hydro essences. Essentially, you can just spray it on top of whatever you were doing, and it helps just make it a lot more effective and gives your body a lot more of the nutrients that it needs. Like I said, I am obsessed. If you happen to have very dry skin like I do, I highly recommend giving this a shot.